It's day number 53 and welcome to the 5 Words a Day. Today we learn about anete, angala, angere or angera, and anget. Welcome. If you've not been following this session, please go to the playlist. We have a very great playlist of 52 days so far, and I hope you'll enjoy it. So let's talk about anete. Anete. Anete means quagmire or a soft boggy area of land that gives way underfoot. In an example, you can say apuoyo omoko e anete. Apuoyo omoko e anete. So the rabbit is stuck in the boggy area. Secondly, we talk about ang. Ang is to denote some time later. I will do some time later. For example, ang ne aduogi sa aboro. So I'll come back at 2 p.m. Ang ne aduogi sa aboro. Ang. Then we move on to the third one, which talks about angala. Angala. So angala is a running stride. Some people say okang. Okang. So one stride is angala achiel or okang achiel. In an example, you can say adwa pimo ot angala angwen konchiel kod angala abirio komachielo. Adwa pimo ot angala angwen konchiel kod angala abirio komachielo. So that's a house that is 4 by 7. Or you can say adwa pimo ot okang angwen konchiel kod okang angwen komachielo. That would give you 4 by 7 house. Our fourth word is angere or angera. Angere or angera. So angere is teasingly or jokingly. Angera. Angera is a joke. So in an example, you can say onyisa ni ohera mana kod angere. Onyisa ni ohera mana kod angere. So she told me she loves me jokingly. I don't know whether to believe that. And our last word of the day is anget. Anget. Anget is a side cut that is cooked, the beef, the side cut of the beef or the backbone. It's called anget. For example, ja us ringo ero ng'adna anget robo kilo adwa dhi tedo. Ja us ringo ero ng'adna anget robo kilo adwa dhi tedo. So that marks the end of the 5 words a day for day number 53. And I'll see you tomorrow for day number 54. And have a great one. Please remember to subscribe. Tell your friends about this, and you can share these videos. You can go back to the playlist and play all the 52 days to enjoy knowing the Luo language. Otherwise, Oriti, God bless you. Bye-bye.